In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and interpret a sunburst chart in Power BI. If you're new to Power BI or simply looking to expand your data visualization toolkit, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have a full understanding of how this powerful chart type can bring your data to life. First, open Power BI Desktop on your computer. Power BI Desktop is a robust tool designed for creating insightful data visualizations. It's crucial to ensure your software is up to date so you can take advantage of the latest features and improvements. Once Power BI Desktop is open, we're ready for the next step. Now it's time to import the data you wish to visualize. Whether your data source is an Excel file, a database, or anywhere else Power BI can connect to, make sure it's properly loaded into the workspace. Importing data accurately is fundamental, as the quality of your data will directly impact the clarity and reliability of your visualization. Take a moment to double check your data. Ensure it's clean with no missing values or mislabeled columns. With your data successfully imported, look for the cluster chart button in the visualizations pane on the right side of your screen. The cluster chart button is crucial because it will later enable us to switch our visualization type to a sunburst chart. Clicking the cluster chart button creates a new blank chart canvas on your report page. You might see a placeholder grid, which will transform to reflect your data as soon as we proceed further. Now let's talk about how a sunburst chart works, so you understand what we're aiming for. A sunburst chart is a type of multi-level pie chart. It allows you to visualize hierarchical data in a clear, nested manner, showing relationships between elements across multiple dimensions. Each level of the hierarchy is represented as a ring or circle, with the central circle being the top level category. Once the cluster chart is on your canvas, switch the chart type to a sunburst chart. This option should be easy to find within the visualization pane. Clicking it will immediately transform the current placeholder chart into a sunburst chart. Now it becomes essential to think about our data structure. We need to drag the appropriate fields into the legend and values areas within the fields pane. The legend field typically represents categories, while the values field represents numerical data. As you assign these fields, watch how the sunburst chart updates in real time. The beauty of the sunburst chart lies in its ability to present complex hierarchical data in a visually appealing way, seamlessly showing how each part contributes to the whole. Spend some time exploring the chart with various datasets to get comfortable with how it displays different types and hierarchies of data. And there you have it, a quick but comprehensive look at setting up and interpreting a sunburst chart in Power BI. Enjoy visualizing your data in this dynamic, engaging format.